Right, today we are going to see how to create a REST easy project in Eclipse. Okay, here right click, new Maven. No Maven is there. So Maven project. Next, next Maven Kickstart is there. We are taking web app. Maven archetype web app. Next, calm rest test is there. I'm taking test rest easy. Project name I'm taking as test rest easy. Finish. Yeah, now it got created. Okay. Now in pom.xml in dependencies we need to add rest easy dependency. Earlier I added a project. From there I'm copying dependencies and all. Okay. This dependency is required. Okay. Sorry, not this one. Yeah, this is required. JBoss rest is JAX-RS. Copy this entire. Control C. Here Control V. Control V. Now done. Okay, now dependency we added. Now some error is coming. What is that error? Okay, index radius. That's not a problem. Okay, that is JSP issue. In app.xml, we need to add servlet to servlet mapping. Okay, those also I'm copying from this project. This is foundation, right? Okay, src here main app. These and all. Need to add servlet, this servlet and servlet mapping. In servlet actually we need to add init param. Init param we need to add param name, param value. This param, what is this test application? I will explain later. First I need to copy this and all. Servlet, this is servlet mapping. Copy, paste here, Control V, Control S. Okay. I need to create one test application which extends REST application actually. Okay. Okay. First we need to create some source folder. Okay. Yeah, right click, properties. What is that? Folder, type folder. Okay, we need to create src main Java folder. New folder. Okay, in which project? Here. Okay. What is src slash main slash Java. Okay, finish it. Now we created. Okay, here we need to create test application. Right click. What is that project? Com test example. A new class. So this one. This is where com test dot example. Com test example. Okay. This extends application. So application. This one. Okay. So far what we have done, we created one Maven web app project. Here in form.xml, we added this dependency REST easy JAX-RS 2.1 GA. Okay. After that, what we done in app.xml, we need to add servlet. this servlet and servlet mapping. You know, right, in servlet and all, any URL coming with slash anything, then it will be mapped to rest easy here. From rest easy servlet here, servlet here. So this servlet class comes to picture HTTP servlet dispatcher. This will scan in the this application actually here, test application. In test application, whatever you are loading, those and all will be loaded. Okay, now we'll see a test application created. Now we need to create one resource actually. See how to create. From earlier also done this one. So what I am doing, this is test application actually. Okay, this is test, this is test application. Okay, now in test application what should be there, we need to create like this one test application, that is constructor for this one. This application path is not required here as of now. Okay, it's not required, let it be. So what I'm doing, I'm copying entire thing. Yeah, what I want to create a test application, right? Test application, control A, control A, test application. Here no test is not there, so we need to create one create class. Same package only. Okay, done. Test. Okay, see, this is constructor of this one. Here we taken one hash set. For hash set we are adding no test. This is this class we are adding this one. Okay, but this is resource kind of. So what I'm doing, I'm adding @path. What is the URL here? I'm giving URL test only. Okay, test application test. Here I'm taking one get method, public. I'm returning what I'm returning. I'm returning a string as of now. String hello. Okay, this is get method. Here to what is written here? Return hello. Sorry. Okay. What happened? Okay. Now remove this. Done. We are returning done. Public. Done. Public string. Done. Okay. Done. This is our. I'm printing here a system.out.println. Hello. Okay. Now I'm adding @path here. Then what we need to here slash hello. Okay, now see, as of now what we did, we created one test easy project. Yes, Maven test easy. In pom.xml we added only this dependency. Okay, after that what we did, in m.xml we added what we added here, servlet and servlet mapping. In servlet mapping, okay, we are only giving right dot slash, we are whatever URL coming from the way we are mapping there. After that, this handle we know from the servlet, right? Servlet class this one. Then here in it point we need to discuss something here. Okay, java x dot ws, this one in param name we need to give java x ws rs application. Here I am taking in this application, I taken as a test application which extends application. Okay, in test application what we need to do? Okay, we need to take one get to singletons, these methods we need to take. Here we need to add all this actually. We need to return this set actually. See, in set how they are taking private set of object asset they are taken or assets adding all this test. So whatever we adding here, those under will be loaded. Okay, when a request is coming. Got my point? Here we are returning this asset reference. Okay, now when are we getting, that means we are whatever loaded here. As of now we are loading only test. Now we got test application. Now okay, now this is our, this is, now we'll write what handle conjunction and what handle. This is get method over what it produces, to write produces, what produces application dot media type, sorry, what here, media type application JSON string are taken. Okay, then it produces what it consumes what it consumes, media type, same only application dot JSON only string type. Okay, now done. Okay, now these are all done. And now okay, we are almost completed sample REST application. Okay, right click. Now we are loading. Okay, into server, run as, run on server. Next I have taken Tomcat 9 here. Next finish, check any error is coming, console. As of now no error. Okay, great, got loaded. Okay, now this is REST is coming by default project name. Now what we need to give, what is REST endpoint URL here, go here. Okay, test REST is test application test, right? Yeah, test to higher. Okay, one minute, all this, close all this. Okay, yeah, test to hello. So here, go here. Okay, from the browser I will be calling localhost already it was there. I'm entering test enter test rest easy slash, this will be test rest easy, okay, capital test hello, test slash hello. What is the problem? Is test hello, why console check, error is coming, why error is coming, cannot consume content type, get to test hello, request is coming, okay, get to test hello, okay, unsupported cannot consume content type. Okay, see we are not any passing any, right? So if you're putting consumes here, it is giving consumes giving problem. So I am commenting this one, I'm loading once again. One minute, let me comment it now, commented. Okay, now it is loading. Okay, loading done. Now do the, we got it. Same Control A, Control C. Take one more. Okay, now we got it. Hello baby baby. Okay, this is sample application. Now we uncomment it. Control S. Now server will get loaded. Now on the same command will get problem because we are not passing any parameters. Even though we are not passing, then it is coming as a error. Okay, but we are not, even though we are not passing any values, but we are using consist. That's why it is getting some error. Okay, comment it, run it, let the server run, load. Okay, now started. Run the this one. Got it. Hello baby. Go Eclipse. Hello. System. Go enter. This is a sample REST is application how to create and all. See what we done. We have taken Maven web app type. After that, in in found.xml, we added only one dependency, that is REST is JAX-RS. Next, in app.xml, what we done, we added servlet mapping. In servlet mapping, URL pass and this URL pattern servlet name. Then this is servlet class and all. Okay. Now in this is main actually. Init param Java X WS RS. This is the test application. Test application what I did, they have taken hash set. For a hash set I added uh, resources. After that what I did, I am loading those and all, right? Adding, then get all the instances. Say test application, one method is there, get singletons. I am returning whatever I added singletons. Asset, right, duplicate subject not allowed. So I am getting singleton all this. Okay, objects of this one test. Then I got this. Then while running this one, consumes we not supposed, because we are not passing any value from the way, so we are not supposed to use consumes. Okay, application registration. So run it, then produces the output like as well. Thank you. We'll see you next video.